Yeah, for about already a year, we moved here to the library. Our space is called Brenchie's Lab, and what we do is we're hosting a makerspace. So for those of you who don't know what a makerspace is, we basically like share ideas and knowledge with others so that we can help them out on their projects. So anybody who wants to work like on a project of their own, we can help them out and we'll guide them through the process. We also teach 3D modeling, 3D printing, laser cutting, 2D design, electronics, and programming here. So in case if you have a project which has any, which is involved in any of those subjects, we can also like help you out with that. Actually open from 12 till the library closes. So kids, adults, everybody is welcome. We're also hosting a robotics club, which does the same thing, but in a more structured manner. Because let's say the makerspace is very open, so you can just like come in and do whatever you want, whenever you want, right? But then let's say some people come in and they don't know what to do because it's like so broad, and yet they don't have a simple idea of what they can do with it. And therefore we have prepared a course that's called robotics, Brenchie's Robotics. And there we teach you how to do 3D printing, 3D modeling, electronics, and all of those. Oh yeah, sure. Like they can take actually what they have created. For example, if somebody wants to create something custom, we don't have to stay with that. They can just take it home because they want it and it's theirs. Well, we actually have an upcoming event. It's still under planning. We're trying to set up a mini maker fair. So basically a maker fair is an event where makers come and show up what they have created throughout the year. And so we have done that to showcase what the kids from Robotics Club have done, but also we want to invite those who are makers on Aruba. And yet we're still planning on that.
Essa aqui tá é Arubiano, o website